To recycle my clay, I add water, smack it down in some plaster. Then I poke some holes in it and let it dry. Once it's dry, you can just peel it up, wedge it, and here it is.
Hey, this is how I recycle clay. So if something breaks, I just break it all the way, and then I take the chunks and put it in this slosh bucket. And then I take the slosh and then put it on to here, which is a plaster bat, and it sucks the water out. So it turns from this into this. Cool. And then this turns into this. Isn't that fun?
Here I am recycling clay. I put it in water when the clay is bone dry. Then I spread it out for it to dry over a day or two. After I let it dry enough, I wedge into reusable clay. This is how I cut down on wasted clay. After I finish working, I put any excess clay into this bucket overnight. The clay settles to the bottom and a layer of water is left on top. After removing the top layer of water, I am left with really wet, mushy clay. I spread it onto a piece of plaster. The plaster absorbs the water, and after a few hours the clay is ready to use.